I'm over here and I'm looking, I can't see that at all. I can't see the house at all. Yeah, I can't see it. It's completely blocked. You can't even see through the trees because of all the little sticks.
Mm-hmm.
Just like inside.
Oh, that is so cool. And then there's mounding even.
Yeah, those mounds.
Mm-hmm. Like this is kind of down in a little lower spot. You know?
Another one, Jen.
Another.
This is not attached to the ground. This was pulled freaking out. Holy shit. Ooh, I'm sorry. Gotta quit swinging. Let me show you something here. This was pulled out of the ground. The roots are gone. This was literally pulled out of the ground and put here.
Weird, weird. And this is all like right here where that structure is. Right there. With the nice mulchy mulch. A nice mulchy bed that there were no sticks on top of. Like it was completely cleared. And she said it was soft and very comfortable actually. Ooh, mosquitoes. And yeah, it's getting dark. Like all these.
Yeah, what's back there?
See all these sticks right here? Oh my god, I'm having trouble getting through all this. Like,
Look at this.
hmm?
I'm pulling this up. This was put here. Check it out. This is another one. Taken right out. It still has the dirt.
So it's just stabbed into the ground there.
It was just placed right like that.
So we're actually in an entire structure right here. Like I'm standing in the house. Cause look, that's just stuck there too. Like this whole part is just stuck right there. Right? This part right here. This big one.
Yep. That, I'm going to check out the end. That's what I wanted to take a look at. Here's more mounds. Here's the tree that is behind that tree.
And again, that's the comfy bed. And that, wow.
Did you make that noise?
What noise?
What?
I said, yeah, I did.
Okay.
I'm going to say yes, that was me. Oh wow, something was digging there too. See that? Something was digging there into those mounds. Jen, where are you? I can't see you anymore.
I am right behind this, the whole, right, let's pick this up. See it?
No. Oh wait, I can see your light just a little bit. Wow, that's a really good blind. I can't hardly see anything past it. Wow, that's cool. That is so cool.
Take a picture. See the light?
Hang on, one more time. Cool. Okay, yep. I'm hearing movement in the woods over here. I'm hearing movement. No, over here.
Not that I'm scared. I think it's getting too dark. And I hear dogs aggressively barking.
Look at that big path back there.
Huh?
That's a big path back there.
A big what?
Path.
Yeah.
Like right past that tree right there too.
Oh, right back here?
Yeah.
It's all, I mean, it's all open.
What are these mounds? These are mounds or something.
There's a lot.
Okay.
I have to get a new SD card.
Like seriously? Wow.
You just sit here and listen for 1 minute. There are no birds around here.
No birds, you're right. So I'm wondering if you can take some pictures of, oh my gosh. Okay, is that where it was digging before, or was that another place it was digging? Because there was digging.
Yeah, that was digging, and then there was another one right there.
What's this digging about?
Well, a lot of animals dig to find grubs, worms, and who knows, maybe Bigfoot likes to eat worms.
Oh.
I mean, we know he likes deer, right?
Well, we hear that he likes deer.
Yeah. Look at that bird next to him. You okay?
Yeah, that's, I'm okay.
It's so late. You want to come back tomorrow morning? If we can find it again?
We're going to have to mark it on the GPS. All right, we need to get out of here. It's getting dark.
I know. I gotta get an SD card. We gotta find some place that sells SD cards.
I have SD cards.
Do you?
I just have to clear some.
All right.
So that's our tree structure from afar right there. Jen, can you just go over there?
Do that.
Wait, what's that right there?
What?
Look. I don't know.
All right, let me just go over there.
So where's the structure?
Right in front of me. Let me go through this little. Oops, that fit me in my bag.
I can see you, Jen, but I don't know that I would notice you so much if you weren't blue and with a red light.
Well, I'm completely in front of it. Now, if I go in the doorway.
Yeah, I want to see you go in the doorway. Are you going to lay down in there?
Do I have to?
Please?
Come on. All right. Let me take off my gear. You're not going to see me.
All right, so where are you?
Can you see me?
I can see your light a little bit. Yeah, I can see your light.
Okay.
Awesome.
All right.
That's a pretty effective structure. If I can leave Bigfoot or whatever.
Busted some of the gate. The doorway.
If we can give a compliment such as that, I'm giving
But
it.
you know what I didn't see, Jen?
What?
Footprints.
Well,
I didn't see hair. I didn't see things that you'd think that would be down there.
I understand that. I'm wondering though, I mean, how frequently this is used.
Yeah. And I guess there's certain times of the year that animals shed, right?
Yeah, but I mean, we should too. But I don't know. I guess we don't know how long ago this thing was.
Oh, there's another tree that just fell off. But this land is pretty moist.
Okay, so I just listen. I just heard something just drop right over here by me. It sounded like a rock. Ooh, spider. Look at this. This. That didn't grow there. It would be one thing to just think that this stuff fell. That's one thing. But I mean, these things look like they were placed. Like some of them are stabbed into the ground. And like specifically like blocking movement. It's getting dark. I need to get out of here. Jen?
Yeah. What do you need, girl?
Just finding my way back, and this is not the path I came on. It's not the path of least resistance. I know, I can see where you are. I'm just, whew. I'm gonna stop. Maybe I'll stop recording and just concentrate on walking, but I'm definitely just trying to take the straightforward approach instead of the path of least resistance. Like, sorry dude. I'm moving it. Can't help it. I just want to get out of here. I do too. So that's a, I mean, look at all this. This was like, all of these are placed there. Like all of this looks as if it's designed to detour movement towards that. Yeah. I'm wowed right now. Just really, I mean, it would be one thing, but I mean, some of them are just like stabbed into the ground and placed. I mean, it just looks like something created this as a blind. I just, so much of this forest right here is just wide open. And, you know, if animals naturally take the path of least resistance, this is definitely not it. Ah! Okay, I need to find my path out of here. Because look at that. That's just... all right, so I'm going to stop recording so I can just find my way out. But, I mean, this is just fascinating to me. I'm so wowed right now. So, wow. See ya all later.